Hey people, night time, you know. Not even night time, early morning. I do some fishing on the jetty this morning, early before daybreak. I know you can't see me well, you know, see there? But as you can see, the place dark, so early morning. And them camera here can't pick me up so good in the dark, but at least can't tell you where I go on. But up on the jetty still, you know, I'm gonna look some bait today. I don't know where I go yet, but a snapper I'm really hunt down today, so up on the snapper move today, you know, jetty. Moon bright. See if we can get some bait still and set out the line, alright? So you can't see me, but listen. I soon come back, alright? Yeah, fish on every time. Jetty. See like a tarpon out there, so yeah. I want to catch a few bait, so I want to go somewhere today. I don't know where we're going today, but I know I want some snapper, you know. Snapper is a target species this morning. So I want to catch 2 snappers, so I'll start out at the jetty first, because this is where I catch a bait, you know. So I start out to the jetty first and then catching the bait and then move on to somewhere else. Catch a bait here. Oh, this is toffee. Alright, so I'm going to put out this rod now, but that's with this toffee, right? Small toffee. Sometimes the lane snapper them bite the toffee, you know. So, oh, come here, man. Come here. People them say I love talk to the bait, you know. So, come on, be yourself, man. Be yourself. Talking to the bait. Alright, so I'm going to just pin him. This is a circle hook, so I don't want to pin him in the nose. So I'm going to pin him in the back, right? Because if I pin him in the nose, it's going to spin around and stick him in the face and the eye and kill him. So you just stick it right in the back, that the hook don't spin around and juke him and kill him in the face. Alright, yeah, see him there? Swim up and down. So I'm going to throw this one out now. I threw the other one before, but this one is the second one, right? I think that not go too far, man. How can I throw that? Some little idiot throw that, you know. Anyway, it's still out there in the water, so can't be too much of an idiot throw. Yeah. Land yet? No, not land yet. Come, land. Alright, land already. Alright, so get a little length because snapper, so I'll get a little length on the circle. So when I grab it and run, you know, snapper don't swallow the bait at the same time. Sometimes run off with it and then swallow it, so you have to give them a little length, you know. Right, so that is number 1. I check the number 2 still. No, this is number 2. I check number 1 now. Right, make sure the bait is still on it. Alright, so let me know if I can catch one more bait. It's just catch and pin on, you know. That's what I play now, catch and pin on. And yo people, I'll go and catch a bait and set out here. Camera not so battery not so good, so I'll go and catch a bait and then get back to you guys. Alright, so we'll come back. So I'm going to put on a live bait on this rod. Let me see now. Toffee, come on, Toffee. I managed to catch a few toffee, you know. See them here? So I'm going to put out one. See him jump out. You jump out, you're going to go up on the rod right now. So I'm going to put him onto this rod here. So, alright. Take your time. Never take time at all, but it gone out still. Not too far. But it's alright, you know, as long as it's at the water, it's good. Fish on, brother, yes. What kind of fish is this, man? I hope it's a good fish, sir. So come here. Come here. Feel like a good fish still. Come here, come here. What kind of fish? Feel like I want to snapper in or a jack. Come here, don't go that jet, don't go that jet. Snapper to go. Yeah, man, see him there? The snapper here is about 11 inches now, so we're done already. Alright guys, so we still at it, see me, you know. Yeah man, one snapper from mine. And try somewhere else and I leave here. Maybe I'll try something else, another type of fishing, maybe lower fishing. Alright? Till later from now, so yeah, I'm gonna finish for the day, you know. Finish it up time. Alright. Put out this one now and get ready again. Oh dear, yeah. Peeps, I'll leave the jetty now because nothing I go on for the jetty. So I head on home, I'll try another spot. Might just use some artificial lure. I don't have to go to a wicky wacky, go use some artificial lure a little later. I want to go around there and cool out. Now but I go home here. It makes no sense to go home and come back inside there, you know? So some things set. Alright people, so catch you around by wicky wacky, alright? See you guys in a moment. Alright guys, so I'm at my favorite spot, wicky wacky. I just reached here now. Come on, the water look nice. Look at the water, man. So the water look nice. Yeah man, so I just leave the jetty. I said we're gonna do some casting artificial lure for snook around by wicky wacky. So let us get started, alright? Hope we can hook up a nice snook today. I'm very early today, but sometimes I'm bite early, so I'm gonna try anything right now, so no delay, right? So let's move on right down to the water. So I set up now and start cast, alright? So as a matter of fact, see everything here, so ready, so soon come back. So I start right here, so I move go all the way around. Side kinda low as usual. No, you know, not as usual, kinda low now. But I'm gonna get a test out now and see, right? So lure here, I use this lure, the usual lure. Some people ask me to set up. I'm using 40-pound braid, a regular rod, 40-pound braid. Look at this reel. So this reel nice reel, you know. I just bought the power angle, put on it. This is a power angle. Match it. This match the reel, red and black reel. This is made by Titan 2 round clip. Alright, I've been using this reel for a very long time now. Very good reel, stand up to all the wear and tear, you know. Right, so and this is the lure. Right, my snook lure. Oh, let's catch snook with this now. Oh, that's snook I catch with this. I can't say countless, but it's about 6 or 7 snook, something like that. Come on, good lure. The first cast out now, alright. Oh, it feels like it's nuts already. Feel like it's nuts. Come on, first cast out. It must feel like something nut a while ago. What is that? Oh, it's a nut. It's a nut me run from. You don't even know. Anyhow, it doesn't matter to me. It's a goat though. It's a goat there, you know. Alright, so whoa, I want to do. You chop on something? Don't do that to the man. hook up on weed. Okay, weed. Alright, so that's all. Can't go too near that side to the left side because I will for a reef on the side there. Alright, stay back to the right. Yeah, just to the right, still I'm not feel anything like that. Just feel, move to the left and feel a little hook up like a while ago. A bit hook up in some reef and some grass and things, so I know so something alright right this way, so just I'm gonna come back to that side here. Alright, okay. Alright. I don't really know still enough, so I expect them to bite, just a stray one me I look. Alright. Alright, I kind of cast out that little gear right here, so I'm up on the other side now. Somebody come like the mosquito is serious, man. I don't need a little tree, you know. But I go and cool out and take it easy, but I tell you, man, some mosquito around here. Big broad daylight, I tell the mosquito attack me on the tree. I feel around them when I cuss them out. Yeah, but you know, why? Today's a rough day, you know. Why sometimes they come out to catch fish and I tell us, boy, you have to work hard to catch 1 or 2 fish. So I reach for company jetty this morning. So I go look 2 snapper. Or 1 snapper, how much snapper? And I only end up to catch 1 snapper. So I say, boy, I come around now, wicky wacky, come see if I can do some casting because I use 1 stone kill 2 birds, you know. When I take a stack of it, I come and cast. The day I done still yet, you know. I tell you, I'm tired behind them, tired, I can't cast no more. You understand me? But I'm going to try to see me until the time up. Because there was a certain time when I stop fish, you know. So I'm going to wait until that time. But I'm going to cool out on that tree, man. I'm tired. You understand me? So yeah, the tree are cool still, but only one thing though, mosquito, man. The mosquito are serious, you know, man. I tell you. Yeah, man, you want to attack me on the tree, man. I have to look out for them to them attack me, man, on the tree, man. Yeah. So, whoa. So people, you want now? Go and stay tuned, alright? So we'll come back to you. I want to hook up something today now. I want to hook up a snook today and close this off. I don't know if it's going to work out, but tomorrow is another day again. So I'm going to do some fishing tomorrow. So if I don't hook none to them, I might hook tomorrow. But I want to close off this one today. Yeah, man. I just want to close off. I just want to catch a fish today and can go home and relax. Alright? So stay tuned. I soon come back. Alright? Fish on every time. Every time. Even though I want to catch, still a fish on. Casting time again, people. Come on, I just take a little 5, you know, and come back out now. So time now, the right time now. So start cast now and see now if they come out now. I'm ready to come out now. Come on, at them time them biting in the evening, you know. I don't know if them guys catch any rum, see them guys one for the other can around, so I don't know if them catch any yet. But it come down to the hours, you know, for them bite. So everybody, when we notice when the snook them start bite one place, everybody start feeling them everywhere. So the geese start feeling them so, and the man start feeling them all the corner around, so go right round. It's like the snook them know one time to bite. You know what I mean? Yeah, everybody feel them one time, so. Alright, peeps. I think it's time to go home now, you know. Boy, I do so much fishing from morning, jetty, then wicky wacky. So, I do a whole lot of fishing today, you know. And I catch a 1 snapper still. But I hope to catch something else still, you know, around my wicky wacky, but it don't look like it's possible again because time I run out now and I'm going to pick up nothing yet. So you know, so it goes still, you know, and every day you catch something what you want, you know, and every day you catch a snook. You understand me? But when them come, normally we catch 1 or 2, you understand? So that's just the thing set. Anyway, Yeah, it sound like rain I go fall to hear the thunder there, you know. Yeah, get overcast again, you know. Like I really rain this now. Anyhow people, I'm gonna close off now, you know, yeah man. So take care. And all the best, alright. Remember to like, share and subscribe, you know. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell and like the videos, alright? So take care man. God bless and we'll see you guys in the next one. Fish on every time. Alright? I'll catch one fish. Alright peace, I'm out of here.